Hello everyone, myself is Prem Khatri. I am from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Electronic and Communication stream from LG Institute of Engineering and Technology in 2016. One of my friends has referred me about the Evision Technosoft. Evision Technosoft is an IT recruitment consulting company. I have joined the Evision online job internship program on the 7th of August 2022 under the guidance of IT administrator and managers. I have learned the lots of modules like the CCNA, network, window administrator, ITIL and lots of more. All the trainers are the supportive and helpful, and they clear all the doubts during the session, and after the session also they are providing the all types of the support. After the completion of the all module, I got the salary package of 3.3 LPA in the DHL company. Thank you so much, Evision, to give me this opportunity.